Hi guys, it's Sarah Jan. The kasana is hot, but anyway, let's talk. Do you know that, guys, we rarely talk about friendship breakups? Like that relationship that you had one time with that good friend that you thought was like your ride or die. Guys, it hurts. Like omuntu nakola ekintu nga tokimusuubiramu nga muyina okwawukana nekikuluma naye nga tolina kyakikolera ne wejjusa lwaki wamusisinkana. The fake people that have never loved people from the heart cannot testify to this. But guys, friendship breakups, they hurt and they are real. Sometimes you remember things that you used to do with that person. And you're like, God, why? Why did she have to do that? Anyway, let's talk. What's your experience?